Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you use Cash App without a card, basically? So as you all know that Cash App basically caters out and basically gives you points and redeemable points, and you can absolutely do this without a wallet and without a card, so to say, because in here you could use PayPal and you could absolutely use Binance as well. And I happen to use Binance on my account, and but there's absolutely no need for a card. Yeah, in this case, Binance is available. We also have PayPal, and that's how a lot of Filipinos have been using this. They've been using PayPal in order to transition to Gcash, and in order to eventually cash out from this. So that's just basically it. Again, you don't need a card to do this, to purchase. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.